Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove file type associations to default or none in Windows 11. All PowerPlans files are associated with Notepad. Create new text file named as sample.xyz. Click Yes. Type folder options in Windows search bar, click Folder Options. Click View tab, check Hide extensions for known file types, click Apply, click OK. Right-click PowerPlan file, click Open with, click Choose another app. Click Choose an app on your PC, browse to select sample.xyz file. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.